With the 24H2 release of Windows 11, there is new functionality to create compressed files in Linux format or in tar format. Prior to this release, you could open those types of files, but now you can also create tar files from Windows. So let's say I have this folder with these files in it, and I want to send this in a compressed format in tar format. Now, to create a tar format or a compressed file, right-click on it and select Compress to, and then select tar file. At this point, it's going to prompt you to give it a new name, or you can keep the name as is, and then hit enter. Now, you'd send this file to someone else, and that file would contain all the files and folders in it in a compressed format. Now let's say that you received a file similar to this from someone else. And once you receive the file, you want to extract the contents of this compressed Linux file format. So then we click here on the file itself and then click on Extract All. Then from here, create a new folder if you'd prefer, and then click on Extract. This will contain all the files and the folder structure as prior to the compression from whoever sent it to you. So that's how you create compressed tar file and how you uncompress the contents of it.